Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought, I understand English, but I can't speak it confidently, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something that holds back so many learners: overthinking grammar. Our topic is simple but powerful. Speak English confidently. No grammar, only practice. Ryan is with me today, and we're going to break this down in a very real, very practical way.
Hey everyone, I'm excited about this one. Why confidence is the real problem.
Ryan, let me start with a direct question. Why do people feel confident inside their head, but silent when it's time to speak?
Because they're translating. They're checking grammar rules mentally.
Exactly. Most people don't lack English, they lack confidence. And confidence isn't something you study.
It's something you build by doing.
The grammar trap. Here's something I've noticed with learners. They think first grammar, then speaking. Ryan, does that actually work?
No, it usually delays speaking even more.
Right. Grammar becomes a wall instead of a tool. People stop themselves mid-sentence thinking, is this correct? And the conversation is already gone. How real people actually speak English. Let's talk reality. How do real people speak English in daily life?
Short sentences, simple words, natural pauses.
Yes, they don't design sentences. They express thoughts. For example, people say, busy today. Not sure. Let me check.
And everyone understands.
Child-style learning. Key insight. I love this example. Children, they don't learn grammar first, right?
Never.
They listen, they copy, they repeat. They speak wrong, but they speak.
And that's why they become fluent.
Adults forget this simple system. Confidence comes after speaking. Here's a mindset shift for everyone watching. You don't speak confidently after learning English. You learn English by speaking confidently.
That's powerful.
Even if your English is broken, speak it. Let's do something practical. Ryan, imagine we just met for the first time.
Okay.
Hi, Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
What do you do?
I work in design.
Simple. No grammar thinking, just communication. Think in meaning, not rules. One of the biggest blockers is thinking in your native language first. Ryan, what happens when people translate word for word?
They hesitate. They get stuck.
Exactly. Instead, think in meaning. Meaning hungry. English comes automatically. I'm hungry. Daily speaking practice. No partner needed. Now, a question many people ask. What if I have no one to practice with? Ryan, what would you suggest?
Speak to yourself. Describe your day.
Yes, I'm getting ready. I need to go out. I'll call later. This trains your mouth and mind. Mistakes are your friend. Let's normalize mistakes. Ryan, do mistakes mean failure?
No, they mean progress.
Exactly. Mistakes show that you're pushing your limits. If you wait for perfect English, you'll wait forever. Accent fear. Many learners say, my accent is not good. Here's my response. Accent is not weakness.
It shows you're multilingual.
And communication matters more than sound. How to speak daily without stress. Let's make this simple for everyone. Rule 1, speak every day, even 5 minutes. Rule 2, keep sentences short. Rule 3, don't correct yourself while speaking.
Correct later, not during speaking.
Final message. If you remember just one line from this video, let it be this. Fluency comes from use, not rules. Start today. Start small. One sentence is enough.
Consistency beats perfection.
Thank you for listening. If this helped you, practice speaking today, out loud.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking.